How to make Eggs Benedict Baja style. Whisk 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in low heat. Gradually stir in 5 tablespoons of butter. Strain and discard the curds from this hollandaise sauce. This Baja recipe uses American bacon instead of Canadian bacon. Grill or cook some bacon in a pan until crisp. Let them dry on a napkin and cut in bits. Collect the pan grease into a container. Sear English muffin halves on the pan. Flip and place 2 tablespoons of Mexican cheese on each half. Poach an egg by flashing it in boiling water. Use a spatula to transfer the egg into a dish of water right after the whites solidify into an envelope, leaving a gooey center. Once cooled, discard the water and briefly place the egg onto a napkin to remove the excess water. Plate the English muffin, bacon bits, and poached egg. Top them with hollandaise sauce and minced chives.